Installing angle braces on the berm shed retaining wall is very important. There's a whole lot of dirt back there. Without the angle braces, that dirt will start to collapse the retaining wall. This happened while we were dismantling the old berm shed and replacing it. We were able to push this wall back into place using hydraulic jacks. However, a larger unbraced section collapsed completely, requiring complete rebuild. Here's the old style of angle brace, which ties the posts directly together. Here's the new attempt at bracing the retaining wall. A horizontal kicker is placed on the ground that the angle brace lands on. This maintains a walkway between cells. Whatever you do, put a brace on it.
If you like this sort of thing, come on out to the forums at permies.com, where we talk about roundwood timber framing, homesteading, and permaculture all the time.
I love this post. Not only is it like huge, I can't even put my arms around it. It's just got that really nice curly cue. And it actually takes a left turn in the soil too, 2 feet, 3 feet down. Love that post.